Welcome to this complete Marmaris Turkey guide where we will illuminate the vibrant city's hidden treasures and must-see sights. Nestled between azure waters and verdant hills, Marmaris is a gem steeped in rich history, boasting a plethora of natural and man-made wonders. From bustling markets to serene beaches, ancient castles to modern marinas, this city offers a tantalizing blend of the old and the new. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 12 things you must do when visiting Marmaris, Turkey. First on our list is the majestic Marmaris Castle, a testament to the city's rich history. This stunning landmark dates back to 3000 BC, and it has seen empires rise and fall. The castle's architecture is a blend of styles reflecting the influences of the civilizations that have called Marmaris home. Its sturdy stone walls tell tales of ancient battles, while its elegant arches whisper of bygone eras of peace and prosperity. Marmaris Castle isn't just about the past, though. Climb to the top and you'll be treated to a breathtaking panorama of Marmaris. The azure waters of the Aegean Sea stretch out as far as the eye can see, dotted with sailboats and fringed by the city's terracotta rooftops. It's a sight that will make you feel like you're on top of the world. With its captivating history and stunning views, Marmaris Castle is a must-visit. Next, we sail towards the vibrant Marmaris Marina. This bustling hub of activity is sure to capture your heart with its lively atmosphere and picturesque views. The marina is a sailor's paradise, with yachts from around the world mooring here, creating a captivating display of nautical charm. You can indulge in various activities here. Indulge your adventurous side by hopping on a boat tour where you can bask in the sun while gliding over the crystal clear waters. Or perhaps you'd prefer to keep your feet on dry land and explore the shimmering boutiques and market stalls, offering a range of unique and artisanal goods. When it comes to dining, the marina is a gastronomic delight. From cozy cafes serving traditional Turkish tea and pastries, to restaurants offering fresh seafood and Mediterranean cuisine, there's something to satisfy every palate. The Marmaris Marina, the perfect spot for both relaxation and adventure. Now let's navigate the labyrinth of the Grand Bazaar. A bustling hub of activity, the Grand Bazaar offers a unique shopping experience like no other. Picture yourself meandering through a maze of over 3,000 shops, each one brimming with an array of local Turkish goods. From hand-woven carpets and vibrant ceramics to spices that carry the aroma of the East, every corner promises an exciting discovery. It's a treasure trove that caters to every whim and fancy. The Grand Bazaar, a shopaholics paradise. Time to soak up the sun at the serene Ikmila beach. Imagine sinking your toes into golden sands while the crystal-clear turquoise waters invite you for a refreshing dip. This stunning beach isn't just a sunbather's paradise, it's an adventurer's playground too. From jet skiing to parasailing, the thrill of water sports adds a dash of excitement to the tranquility. And if you're a fan of the underwater world, snorkeling here is a must. Ikmila Beach, your oasis of tranquility. Prepare for a splash of fun at the Atlantis Water Park. This aquatic haven is teeming with thrilling rides that will get your heart racing. From the dizzying heights of the water slides to the gentle ebb of the wave pool, there's something for everyone. Fancy a bit of a challenge? Try the surf simulator, and if relaxation is more your speed, the lazy river is just the ticket. The park also caters to the little ones with a dedicated kids area, the Atlantis Water Park, where fun meets adventure. Now, let's venture into the wild at the Marmaris National Park. A symphony of nature's finest, the park is home to an eclectic mix of flora and fauna. Picture yourself hiking through scenic trails, each turn revealing a new, breathtaking vista. The park also offers idyllic picnic spots where you can relax and soak in the tranquility. So whether you're an avid hiker or simply a nature enthusiast, this park has got you covered. Marmaris National Park, a haven for nature lovers. Let's set sail on an unforgettable boat trip on Marmaris Bay. As the boat gently glides on the calm blue waters, you'll be treated to a feast for the eyes. The stunning views of the bay are a captivating blend of azure waters, lush green hills, and a brilliant blue sky. The bay is dotted with numerous islands, each one a world to explore. Venture out to the islands where you'll find an array of secluded beaches, quaint villages, and hidden coves. The tranquil waters make for a serene sailing experience, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty of the bay. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a first-time boater, the Marmaris Bay boat trip offers an experience you won't soon forget. From the breathtaking views to the peaceful ambience, it's a trip that captures the essence of Marmaris. A boat trip on Marmaris Bay, an unforgettable aquatic adventure. Next, we step back in time at the Marmaris Museum. This captivating locale offers a peek into the rich tapestry of Marmaris's past. Each exhibit whispers tales of ancient civilizations, from the Hittites to the Byzantines, all of which have left their indelible mark here. Marvel at the intricate artifacts, a testament to the craft and culture of bygone eras. From ancient coins to ornate pottery, each piece has a story to tell. The Marmaris Museum, a treasure trove of history. Now let's explore the mysterious Nimara Cave. This is no ordinary cave, folks. With its roots stretching back to prehistoric times, Nimara Cave is a monument to history itself. Its unique formations, a symphony of stalactites and stalagmites, leave visitors in awe, and let's not forget the wildlife. The area around the cave is a sanctuary for countless species, adding a touch of vibrant life to the ancient stone. Nimara Cave, a glimpse into Marmaris's hidden wonders. Time to unwind at the popular Marmaris beach. Bathed in sunshine, this lively stretch of sand is where the city comes to play. Feel the thrill of water sports, from jet skiing to parasailing, or simply soak up the sun. As the day progresses, the beachfront cafes and restaurants come alive, serving up tantalizing local cuisine. Whether you're up for an adrenaline rush or a relaxing day by the water, Marmaris Beach offers it all. Marmaris Beach, the city's seaside playground. As night falls, enjoy the spectacle of the dancing fountains. This enchanting water and light show is a symphony for the senses. As the fountains sway and twirl, they create a ballet of water, light and music. The rhythmic dance of the water, paired with a harmonious soundtrack, creates an atmosphere that is both romantic and magical. This is a spectacle that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. The dancing fountains, a mesmerizing nighttime spectacle. Finally, discover the mythical beauty of Cleopatra Island. Steeped in history and surrounded by the mesmerizing turquoise waters of the Aegean Sea, this island is a gem that has been polished by time itself. Named after the legendary Queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, this island holds a romantic tale that has been passed down through generations. According to legend, Cleopatra was so enamored by the island's beauty that she chose it as her secret meeting spot with her lover, Mark Antony. The most fascinating part of the story is that Mark Antony allegedly ordered shiploads of white sand from Egypt to be brought here just to please Cleopatra. The beach today is still known for its unique, soft sand, and is considered one of the most beautiful in the world. But it's not just the sand that's bewitching. The clear, shallow waters and rich marine life make it a haven for swimming and snorkeling. Cleopatra Island, a slice of paradise to end your Marmaris journey. And there you have it, the top 12 things to do in Marmaris, Turkey. From exploring the historical Marmaris Castle and marina to the vibrant Grand Bazaar. From the relaxing Ikmila Beach and exciting Atlantis Water Park to the natural beauty of Marmaris National Park. Not forgetting the boat trips on Marmaris Bay, the intriguing Marmaris Museum, the mysterious Nimara Cave, the lively Marmaris Beach, the hypnotic dancing fountains, and the legendary Cleopatra Island. From ancient castles to stunning beaches, Marmaris truly has something for everyone. Until next time, safe travels.